5, no need to be round up, but we need to be round up 4.5. Yeah, become 5. So next pixel is 5, 5. So while drawing the line, we need to be consider only the round up value from the last two column. Yeah. So now again increase the x and y values by using x increment and y increment value. 5 becomes 6 and 4.5 become 5. So here no need to be round up. Both value is absolute values, which is not a we can say incomplete values, or which is a we can say which is not a complete values, right? So we can make them as a complete values, right? Without the floating point values. Yeah. Likewise, you can calculate the next interval by considering the 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and take the 2 minutes and calculate this all values. I will wait for the 2 minutes. Calculate that all values up to 10. Yeah, you can check it. I will wait for 2 minutes. Still you calculate all the values. You can also take the screenshot of this algorithm, screenshot of this table, or screenshot of this PPT. I will wait 2 minutes. Still you calculate all values and verify it by using calculation. Again, I will wait 1 minute. Everybody try it. We need to be write the program for this algorithm. Yeah, we need to be write the program for this algorithm. Go through each, make the calculation. You will get the n number of example. I will send you the link of this example. You will get the n example. You can practice it that. In exam, they may ask, explain the DDA algorithm with example many times, or they will provide the two endpoint. You have to calculate the pixel values. In exam, the question is like this: explain the DDA line drawing algorithm with example. Then if they specified the two endpoint of the line, then by using that pixel value, you have to calculate all pixel, or you have to be assume two endpoint by your own and elaborate the algorithm with example. So this is the expectation. Yeah, this is the expectation in exam. Question is like this: explain DDA line drawing algorithm with example. Again, I will show you this algorithm, DDA line drawing algorithm. So by the end of the lectures, you should take the more example to follow this algorithm. So you can assume by your own two endpoint of the line and try to apply this algorithm. And once you apply this algorithm, you will get the pixel value. Take the then assumes x coordinate and y coordinate as a graph, and put the pixel on this graph and join each pixel from the graph. At the last, you will get the complete line on the graph. At the last, you will get complete line on the graph. Remember, so this is so today you have to solve 5 more examples by using this algorithm. By using this algorithm, you have to solve the 5 more examples. I will share the link with you, or you can assume by your own the coordinate of the line, and you can find out the pixel values. Likewise, as we find out here in a shown in a table. So find out this value. You can make this 5 column like a T column, X column, Y column, RX columns, RY column. So RX is the round of values of the X coordinate or A, right? And RY indicate the round of value of the Y pixel, sorry, Y value, Y coordinate. So each pixel have 2 coordinate values, X coordinate and Y coordinate. So we need to be round up it that. We need to be round it that. So we can consider Rx is a round up value and Ry is a round of values of particular coordinate. So this hope you understood this example. Still you have the coordinate. After facilitating by your own or after practicing the number of example, you will come to know that how this algorithm is easy to find out the pixel values. It's very easy. So now we will proceed to the advantages and disadvantages of this line drawing algorithm, which is a digital differential algorithm, DDA. So the first advantages of this algorithm is that it is a simple algorithm, simple to understand. This algorithm is simple to understand. So it is easy to implement. It is also easy to implement. Yeah. So in an exam, if they ask you to explain DDA algorithm with advantages and disadvantages, then you have to specify the advantages of DDA and disadvantages of DDA. So first, it is very simple to understand. Second is very easy to implement. Yeah. And third advantages is to avoid using multiplication operation, which is a costly in terms of time complexity. So in simple way, you can specify that time complexity of this algorithm is right as avoid using multiplication operation, which is costly in terms of time complexity. So times complexity is higher. Yeah, we can say it is a costly in terms of time complexity. You can just write the time complexity. So it is a more costly in terms of the time complexity. So these 3 are the advantages of DDA algorithm. And disadvantage of DDA algorithm is there are an extra overhead on the processor as there is a function which is a roundup. So it means the more processing time will be required, which is an extra overhead on the processor, as in this algorithm roundup of the value is required. As the roundup of value is required. Using roundup function increase the time complexity of the algorithm. Resulted lines are not smooth because of a roundup function. The point generated by this algorithm are not accurate as we are rounding the values. This is the disadvantages. 2 disadvantages we can say here. One is there is extra overhead on the processor as we need to be round up the values. This is the first disadvantages. And second is we will not get the more accurate values as we are round upping the values. Yeah, you can see we are round upping the values, which is not so accurate, and that leads to we will not get the smooth line. We will not get the smooth line. Yeah, remember these are the disadvantages of DDA line drawing algorithm. These are the disadvantages of DDA line drawing algorithm. Today we will stop here only. So before that, you have to mark your attendance. Reply with yes message in chat box. Everybody, reply with yes message in chat box. Everybody, reply with yes message in chat box and don't exit the group until I tell you to do so. Reply with yes message in chat box. I will consider this attendance. I will wait 1 year to consider the attendance. Don't exit the group until I tell you to exit. Until I tell you to exit. So today I will launch the test by the end of the day. You can give the test on the basis of this algorithm. So, but before that, we need to be practicize that because there may be a more calculation in the objective based test. So today you have to be practicize this algorithm to calculate the values. So I will share today by the end of day, I will share or before after some time, I will share the test score of the last result. Remember, I will share the